Are you looking for a delicious and healthy way to give your brain a boost? Look no further than sunflower seeds. These little seeds are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin E, which has been shown to protect against cognitive decline. And the best part? You can enjoy sunflower seeds in so many different ways. Have you tried making your own sunflower seed butter? This butter is a great alternative to regular peanut butter and is full of healthy fats. Simply blend 2 cups of roasted sunflower seeds with 1 tablespoon of honey and a quarter teaspoon of salt until smooth. Sunflower seed granola. This crunchy granola is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. Mix 2 cups of rolled oats, a half cup of sunflower seeds, a quarter cup of honey, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Sunflower seed pesto. This nut-free pesto is a great topping for pasta or as a dip. Blend a half cup of roasted sunflower seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a quarter teaspoon of salt until smooth. Try these sunflower seed recipes to give your brain a nutritional boost. It's a great alternative to regular peanut butter and is full of healthy fats. Or how about some crunchy sunflower seed granola for breakfast or as a snack? And don't forget about sunflower seed pesto, a delicious nut-free topping for pasta or a dip for your veggies. So next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, try out one of these tasty sunflower seed recipes.